Hey everyone, what is going on? I'm really excited to get into this lesson today. Arpeggio playing, we're going to work on a chord progression and learn about crossover so we can get a low A, and then of course we're also going to go up to the high A. I have a performance demonstration at the end, but I want to break things down so you learn correctly. We're going to be focusing on finger technique. We're going to be focusing on getting that fifth and fourth finger stronger. We're going to go ahead and strive for an even sound and talk about some tips on landmarks and how to get the crossover so it's easy and enjoyable for you to move your hands around the keyboard. If that's something that you're interested in, improving in a stepwise motion and getting better and enjoying your music making, then please consider subscribing to Grassroots Piano channel because you won't miss out on other lessons and it will help the channel out as well. Let's begin. All right, I want to break this down in a really simple but articulate way to set you up for success. We're going to start with the left hand and we're going to have our 5 on A, 4 on C, 2 on E, and 1 on A. And for reference, this is my middle C. 1, right hand, 1 on C, 2 on E, 5 on A. In 6/8 time, we're going to just practice playing this chord broken back and forth like this. You can even go slower, not using the pedal. Listen to your true sound, pressing the keys evenly. Now it's time for a crossover. So we're going to practice descending first. And we're going to go over all the way down to here. What I just did is I took out the time in the left hand. I just wanted to demonstrate how I'm traveling it. Now I'm going to demonstrate it in time. And a quick tip here is 1, you can think landmarks to the 3 black keys. I'm going to move my mouse out of the way. And 2, the second one is when you're practicing this, you want to have your hand follow the other hand, the chord it's playing. Sometimes learners will panic, get lost, and they'll play sloppy or just get overwhelmed. So we like to break things down. Here I go, descending, taking off. Notice after I play this C, it's my launching point. Now I'm going to go ahead and practice it descending and ascending. Here I go. Coming back. And you can really practice just this movement, getting to the hand position. The next thing we're going to do is A minor, same hand position, but now the left crosses over. Watch. Depending on the learner, you might have an easier time with the left going up. Really important to practice both. And even go slower. Don't forget, YouTube has that cogwheel. You can slow it down if you wish. That's going to happen for 2 measures, but the exercise just works like this. I'm going to first play 1, 2, 3, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to do that for 2 measures. Then after that, we are going to F major, and our right hand's going to move just a little bit. We're going to have that 5, and then the C, 2 on F, 1, 3, 5. So it sounds like this. 4, 5, 6. And then that F will go down here. So it sounds like this. I'll demonstrate slowly with the crossover. All right, this is where it can get a bit of a challenge because you got everything right there. And this is where we go into the late beginner mode. What I would suggest practicing is starting from here, just getting that motion because it's going to feel really strange if you haven't done this before. And then you have to condition that hand, that finger. I'm not tired. And I have an exercise at the end, as I said before, where you can hear everything in its entirety. Now I'm going to practice the same thing. It sounds really pretty because the left hand goes up and we play that A and there's a little harmony going on. By the way, if you like my lessons, if you're getting value out of my content, guess what I'm going to ask? Please, please consider hitting the like button. It's not that hard. We just want to hit that like button because then it reaches other awesome people like you. So now I'm going to go cross over to the left. Here I go. And then when we add in the pedal and get a little more flow, it sounds beautiful. To save some time in the play along, I show they'll cross over to the right and then the left, and then I combine them. It's not too hard, but get the first steps down. Definitely the first steps 1 and 2. What I'm going to show you now is the D minor. So with the D minor, our hand's still right in here. We're going to do the 5 on A, 3 on D, 2 on F, and then right there. And then good old root position. Sometimes I think I might play, when I cross over, play this D, which is totally fine, but I might get carried away and play up there for the example. Here I go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1. Everything that I was talking about with A minor, you can apply the techniques to these chords. In other words, when I'm playing the D minor, I'm descending, launching point, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1. And if you get that down, then practice it going up. This is going to be tricky if you don't slow it down. You get, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I'm going to demonstrate it with the left hand crossing over. Go ahead and check out the play along, see if you can play with me, and if you can, put a comment below if you have the time to write in there, type in there that you're able to also do not just the right over left and left over right, but then you're able to go the third step, which is playing it low and then playing it high. Let me know. I hope this is helpful. This is a fun video to make. I plan to do some other ones like this. However, if you want to learn more about chords and you just want to get into inversions, I also have a bunch of those lessons ready to go. I wish everyone well. Let's go to the demonstration / play along.